I'm really sorry that this video is not going to show the process and the how of what I did to repair the car because of time constraints. I really needed to get the car back as quickly as possible. Getting videos slows the process down a lot for me, so I did very little video and only a few photos, just enough to show the owner the progress that was being made. Got to do a little bit of repair to this. The damage is on the other side. We'll see that in just a second. So I'm going to do a complete clean of the vehicle first, and then we'll replace that part. Let's go look at it. Okay, so, and there it is. Icy and parking and a post. And it slid into it, and then this just crumpled. No damage to this, no damage to this, not even the plastic piece inside. It broke the little corner of the front bumper cover off, so we're going to replace that. It crumpled this, we're going to replace this side, and we'll make sure that there's no damage and that everything is completely safe. But it didn't look like it touched anything else. Everything looks really good. It just crumpled that area. So we'll clean it up and then we'll remove that part and see what else needs to be done. So first, a quick wash. The photos make the damage look a lot worse than it really was. The only parts that were damaged were the fender, the bumper cover, 2 mounting supports, and 1 running light on the bumper cover. So got the parts off. I'm going to start putting it back together. You can see the fender. This is the passenger side fender. This is the part that got damaged. It just got pushed in. Icy, parking pole, too close. Wasn't me driving. It crumpled that front part, and the bottom edge looks like it wasn't affected. Well, that would be the back edge. It's tipped on its side right now. Anyway, the front was just, the front of that is just completely crumpled. Now, the other parts, and then the only other thing that I saw, there's 2 brackets. There's this bracket that goes here. It was bent a little bit, not too bad. The straight portion is bent, just this is bent a little in this. And then this is a welded stud bolt kind of thing. That'll be fine, because that just goes here. Right. Nothing else is touched. This is all perfectly straight still. Everything else is perfect. Yeah, no issues at all. Basically, it all was from here to here, and that's all. Nothing back here was damaged. The wheel wasn't touched. This is a plastic piece. It wasn't touched. The fender well areas, all plastic, not a scratch. So everything came out real nice. If you're going to crush a piece, that's the way to go. Less than I think it's about $270 for a brand new one, painted to the color and shipped. Well, shipping extra, not bad at all. So we'll get that started back together. The owner got repair estimates, which the company said were AI generated based on the photos submitted, and the estimate was so high that the car would have been considered totaled. Using all new parts bought online, the total cost of the parts would have been about $600. We used parts from a wrecking yard donor car of the same model and color, which only had damage on its driver's side doors. We got the fender and bumper cover for $125. We figured if we weren't happy with them, we could still buy the new parts and still be way ahead on the price. But we were really happy with the donor parts.